Hello, this is my project for the Arduino kit. What I'm doing is I have a photocell sensor, which is here, but I blacked it out with a straw and some electric tape to keep any light from getting into it. I have that running onto a small breadboard, which the breadboard has a 5-volt input coming from the Arduino board, powering the board, running through my photocell, where I have the input wire in between the photocell resistor and a 1000K resistor, or a 1K resistor, and the input is running into the digital or analog pin number 2. After that, I have an LED or a set of LEDs here, where initially my intent was to write code into the Arduino circuit, into the Arduino microcontroller, to where if pin 2 was on high, then pin 10 would be high on the digital output, and pin 3 would be connected to 11, pin 4 would be connected to 12, and pin 5 would be connected to 13 on the digital output. However, I only have one sensor, and after trying it with just one sensor and one input plugged in, when there was 4 inputs being read, it did not go as planned. So right now I have all 4 LEDs running off of one input. If I was to obtain 3 more sensors, I would pretty much make this work for all 4 LEDs to come on individually for each sensor. So right now what you're seeing is the LEDs are all off. There's no light going on from the LEDs. So pretty much until I set my light directly into the photocell to reduce the resistance, and no voltage will pass through, and none of the LEDs will come on. So as soon as I turn, I'm going to use this flashlight here to simulate the lighting, since I want it to be precise. And there we go. Once I turn the light on to the sensor, as you notice, the LEDs do come on. And to show you this, I'm going to put a strobing effect on there so you can tell that the lights blink as the LED blinks. So pretty much, there we go. And as you see, the LEDs are blinking just as the light would blink. And that is pretty much my project. The reason I built this is so that once a person is leaving their house, they could have a photocell in each bedroom, alongside by the lights in the room, and would have a board pretty much with LEDs like this out by the front door. And in order to check to see if there's any lights on in the house, somebody would just, at the press of a button, if an LED came on, each LED would be labeled, showing which light is on in which room. So that way, in order to conserve energy before leaving the house, all the lights could be shut off. And that is my project. Thank you very much, and I will simulate it one more time to show you the effects of the light. There we go. And that's pretty much that. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Bye-bye.